Bijal and Sunita were college friends who reconnected years later and felt sparks.
We bought this house together. It's our first home together. I don't want to leave those memories. However, Bijal thinks the house is too small.
Beautiful house. It was just me and Sunita, and then Nevin and Shay are born, and everything gets taken over with kids stuff. If we move a little bit out of the city, we'll have a bigger house. We can live in another neighborhood and create new memories.
I don't think that we need to move. We're so close to everything. We can walk anywhere we want to go.
We live in downtown where we never entertain people because the house is too small. This right here is our living room / dining room. Watch out for the columns. The kitchen is separated, so if anybody's in the kitchen, then you can't talk to the guests. I would love it for it to be a little bit bigger so we can entertain. I think we need a bigger house.
I don't think that we necessarily need a bigger house. We just need to modify the house that we have. I understand that Bijal is not happy with the guest space. However, the boys love to share a bedroom, and they have their own spaces if they need them.
When they're teenagers, do you really think they're gonna wanna sleep in a bunk bedroom together? All right, so this is our master, which is a little outdated. And this is our master bath. It's just outdated. I don't like anything in there.
It just needs an upgrade. Just new everything.
The laundry room is not a laundry room, it is a laundry closet. And it is in our kitchen, and we have a couch that we use as a folding table, basically.
We just need to move it. It's not a big deal.
It would be so nice to have a mudroom, but we don't have a mudroom. Picture a 4-year-old and a 7-year-old and all the stuff that comes with it.
I agree, we need a mudroom.
So this is our patio / kids outside play area, but as you can see, it's not that much space.
We don't need it. We have a park that direction, and we have a park that direction.
I think they're at the age now where they would actually appreciate a bigger yard.
So this is our bonus space. It's really big and great for the kids.
So the problem is that the bonus room is not attached to the house. If you want to go to the bonus room, you actually have to go outside, up the stairs, and into the bonus room. That doesn't make sense.
I agree. It's a pain, but I don't think that's a difficult thing to fix.
It's not hard to do, but it's extremely expensive to do. Instead of putting the money into this house, we might as well buy a new house.
Oh, goodness.
All right, so I've done an evaluation on your home. Current value is $450,000.
That seems really low.
Well, that's based on sales in the area.
So tell me what I have to do in this house to convince you not to move and to stay put.
So right now, the bonus room is detached from the house, so I have to walk outside to take my kids to go play. I want the house to connect to the garage and the bonus room.
Okay.
I want to see the kitchen reimagined and completely new. A dedicated laundry room instead of just a closet. Add a mudroom, update the main bedroom and bathroom, and create a guest space.
Is that the end of the list?
That is the end of the list, yes.
All right, and so what's my budget?
$130,000.
I think I can make this work, and you should feel good about investing it in this home because this is an up-and-coming and coming fabulous area. So that's a really good investment in your house.
All right, so what is the must-have list to get you out of this house?
Gonna be tough because I don't want to move.
I know, I can tell.
So we would like an open concept kitchen, 4 bedrooms, including a guest bedroom, at least 3.5 bathrooms, a playroom with the space for his man cave.
And I'm going to assume you don't want it outside of the house,
That
correct?
would be ideal to not have it outside.
Okay.
A laundry room, a garage. We want to stay close to downtown. And a yard for the kids to play. The possibility of finding a yard with that list is going to be really tough.
Oh, no, you can find it. You just have to be able to afford it.
We're willing to do $550,000.
If you need to stay in this neighborhood this close to downtown, $550 is not likely going to get you the upgrade that you're talking about.
Well, that's why we want to stay in this house.
I'll do my best to see what I can find.
I'm going to take that $130,000 and I am going to change your house, change your life, and when I'm done, you're going to love it.
Except you're not going to get a backyard. If you want a backyard, it's going to be for me. And when I find that perfect house, as close as I can to downtown, the only thing you're going to say about this house is list it. This house has 3,000 square feet, 3/4 of an acre, 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, beautiful open concept main floor. We are about 15 minutes from their neighborhood, but there is a definite benefit to that.
I feel like this is the back of the house. It doesn't have any curb appeal.
All right, let's see if the house was. You come on. Look at this little nifty situation.
We don't have this at the house. It's a nice
So, your main area.
It's nice and open.
It is open. I like the layout, but the kitchen, it just feels too small. I don't feel like there's enough counter space.
You feel like you have more?
I actually do feel like I have more counter space.
I would like to have more seating. If we had people come over, there's not enough space.
You have the formal dining room area.
Well, we like to entertain, so we like everybody in one big space.
Right. You'd much prefer to have just a big eat-in kitchen.
Yes.
Yeah, I would agree with that, actually. Yeah.
All right, let's have a quick look at the backyard. It's raining, so I don't think we should go outside. The lot goes all the way to the fence.
I love having the land, but I don't know if that's necessarily usable.
Flat
Flat in the back.
is best.
Yes.
Okay. Bedroom number 1.
Feels small.
Really?
It's a nice size. Maybe because there's no pictures on the wall.
It feels
I think if
small.
we put a picture of like me right there. Or maybe not me. I'm just kidding. I'm kidding.
I don't think he was kidding. Let's go see the bedroom 2. The master bedroom, which is not overly huge.
No, it's the same size as what we have now.
One of the things I like about it is that it's got a walkout to a deck,
Oh, I do like that.
right?
Ooh, I like
like
that.
And the master bath. You've got the double sinks, you've got storage.
It still doesn't feel like a master to me. I don't think we're getting any more than we have now.
All right, we're heading to the lower level. Down here you have a potential man cave. Yes. This will give you a bonus room.
This
This
is
is
awesome.
nice.
The kids can play here.
I
My
do
pool
like
table
this.
here.
I mean, however you want to divvy it up, you're both going to get great spaces.
I do like this.
Hey, how do you like your laundry room? Is that a sore point?
It's a little sore point, yes. Oh, wow.
Whoa,
This is
you
huge.
could live in here.
Okay, we've got storage next door to here. So,
We
don't
could put all the
have
stuff in the
any
garage that we have in here.
exactly. See, then you don't need a garage.
No, we still
But
need
we
a
still
garage.
need a garage.
I tried. I never did.
They
Well,
took the
you
poles
don't
out.
have this thing,
Oh,
these
yeah.
posts.
They're gone. Feels so much bigger.
And the new access point to connect these 2 buildings will be here. And within the space between here and the garage, we're giving you a whole dedicated laundry space, a really nice drop zone.
That's exciting.
Now, the other connection there's going to be is from your bedroom. That hallway will connect into the structure over there, basically where that window is. I want to turn that into your bedroom with a nice spa bathroom, loads of
Yay.
closet space. So this is where you're going to come in right here. And then the existing room that was your bedroom, you can use any way you want, whether it's going to be an extra guest room, a new bonus room.
Oh, wow.
So the question is, do you like the plan?
It's a great idea.
I need to see it all play out first.
We have to make a decision here and now because there's a budget to be discussed.
Okay.
For this bedroom concept, for the design to take place, we are going to be pushing the budget over.
By how much?
You gave me 130,000 to do everything I just described, and on a really beautiful scale. We actually have gone up to 190.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Are you willing to kick in some more?
I love the design, but I don't think we can put in 190 because it pushes us over the market in the area too. The kitchen and the connection and the mudroom, laundry room are the most important to us.
Yeah.
I mean, this sounds amazing to have this master, but I don't think it's a necessity. So
No, it's true, it's not.
We can just keep our existing master and
Is that what you want to do right away? Just take the master off the list?
if we don't touch our bedroom or bathroom at all, can you do everything else?
Yeah, that we can do for 130.
I think that would work for us.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, it includes everything we really need.
And I agree with
Yes.
you.
I think we can keep what we have as a necessity. I think we'll be good.
So, no master, this is it. So then the question is, what are we making this? Are we putting it right back to being a bonus room, or what are we doing?
I guess that would make the most sense since we wouldn't have a play space for the kids
Yeah.
otherwise.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's what we'll do.
Okay.
This house is less than a mile from their house. So it has all the walkability that they love about their current neighborhood. 2,700 square feet. It's got 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. It has a beautiful open concept main floor, a little bonus room area. The only thing it doesn't have is a garage. But it's got something I think is gonna make up for that.
This house is awesome.
How about the neighborhood? What are we, like, less than a mile from your house?
Yeah, I think we can walk to our house from here.
Let's go see it.
Wow.
Not a bad entrance, huh?
This is a nice entrance.
It's like royal.
Very important spot.
Oh, wow, there's a laundry room.
I know. Think this is what you'll get from Hilary?
I don't think she's gonna deliver this. I don't think we have the room.
Have a look at this area.
Wow.
Ooh,
That is a nice counter.
this is nice.
You're getting closer, David.
How much better could it get than this?
Does it have a garage?
Talking about the eat-in kitchen family room combination.
Let's look at the rest of the house. Maybe it'll just wow us enough where we don't need a garage. Right?
Do you have a screen-in porch?
We do not. Oh, wow.
Oh, how nice is this?
Your kids are gonna love this space.
All right, David. I do like this.
It's working, it's working. Keep it up, keep it up.
The finishing touches are complete, and Hilary is excited to show Bijal and Sunita how their house has transformed.
I imagine you're probably ready to see your house.
So ready.
Yes.
It's going to be worth the wait. Guarantee it.
We're excited.
Let's go.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
Amazing. I love the blues.
It doesn't even look like our house.
No, it doesn't.
Well, that's the idea. Right now, you are standing right where you would have been hemmed in by those two pillars, remember?
Yes. And they're gone.
I mean, I do think it's wonderful because you do have this eating area now that is part of everything, but it is still feeling separate. Everything is cohesive and it helps the whole space to flow visually.
This is incredible.
This is beautiful.
Join me in your new kitchen.
This is insane.
Oh my gosh. This is beautiful.
Yeah.
I love it.
Look at the shelves.
It's a lot of storage. Look at all that.
You have nothing but counter space. This will work for an informal little gathering. It's a great place for people to hang out and chat with you if you're preparing food. And it's completely tied in visually with the rest of the house.
It feels huge.
Yeah.
Doesn't it feel huge?
Look at that.
So come on, I'm dying to show you how the rest of the spaces have been transformed.
Can't wait.
Oh, yeah.
So, you remember, none of this really existed.
Wow.
This is beautiful.
This is all found space. So you always needed a mudroom. So you've got this little cute nook.
Oh, I love that.
Here is a drop zone.
Oh, wow. That's really nice.
And then there's more storage in this little cabinet.
This is amazing.
Oh, wow.
Wow. Oh, I love this.
This is nice.
This is so nice. Oh, I can fold laundry up here.
It's like
Or you can
solid
fold
wood.
laundry up here.
I could fold laundry. I'd fold laundry in this room.
This is so neat.
I love it.
So now we'll go outside.
Okay.
Oh,
This is so nice.
What we did was scrimp and save and find some extra money to be able to create this for you.
I
It
love
looks
it.
so pretty.
I love it.
Good. All right, let's go back in and upstairs.
All right.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, wow.
That's so cute.
I love it.
Love the space.
This is your space.
It's so pretty.
Amazing. I love it.
I love this view.
I like the desk there.
So I think it works.
It's beautiful.
Oh, I love it.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
Oh, this is so cute.
Check this out.
Isn't that fun?
They are gonna love that.
Look at the little pool table just for
That's,
you.
yes, I know that's for you.
I love it.
You have a sofa here that can open up and it can definitely work as a guest space.
Oh, wow.
You still have the bathroom, obviously. It's multi-purpose
Sure.
room, but it really is designed for you as a family and the kids to just have the most incredible fun.
I love it.
It's really, really
Oh,
nice.
man.
It
You
does.
did a really good job. It's amazing.